In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create an Among Us account. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. But when you do log into the Among Us app for the very first time, you're going to need to go through a quick setup. The first thing that I recommend doing, and this depends on what platform you're on, is continuing with either your Apple account or with Google Play Games. When you do that, simply go ahead and just hit continue. It may scan your Face ID, and then just begin registering that account with your new Among Us account that it's going to begin creating. From here, you are going to have to verify your age. So go ahead and input that in. In my case, I'm going to put my birthday. And after doing so, hit submit and then yes. And then you're going to want to go ahead and hit sign in to your account. Select that, it's going to load for a second, and as long as you get this option that says success right here, your account has now been created successfully. Now to finish, you'll need a friend code. The game is going to prompt you to create one. Just choose something you like. So in my case, we're just going to do something like Crown Easy, I guess. It doesn't really matter necessarily what yours is going to be, but you just got to hit continue and then it'll say success one more time. And then when you hit close, that's it. You now have an Among Us account created after the new update. And now you can enjoy playing Among Us with friends, by yourself. It doesn't necessarily matter. But if this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.